Now come to the next point. This is again here with a very important theorem, that is state and prove the theorem of perpendicular axis about the moment of inertia. Okay, in previous theorem we study here the two axes are parallel with each other and having a distance h between them. Okay, now in this theorem we have to study here there are the three axes which are perpendicular to each other and congruent with each other. We consider here the three axes, x axis, y axis as well as the z axis. Okay, these are nothing but the direction of the rotation of these three axes. These are mutually perpendicular to each other and as well as they are become congruent. Okay, now we consider here the point P. P हा असा पॉईंट आहे की जिथे एम एवढं मास सिच्युएटेड आहे. येत्या लक्षात. मग पी पॉईंटकडून आपण काय करतोय, वी हॅव टू मेक हिअर द परपेंडिक्युलर ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द पॉईंट पी to the x axis as well as to the y axis. On x axis we make here the perpendicular point at the m and on y axis we make here the perpendicular at the n. Okay, but if we consider these are two perpendicular drawn, okay, now this distance is parallel to the which axis, y axis, hence this distance becomes same as the y. Okay, now as well as Pn is parallel to the which axis, that is parallel to the x axis, hence these distance become here the x. Okay, we have to consider here this is nothing but the central point and this is nothing but the statement. Okay, this is one of the very important theorem related to the our board examination. Okay, the moment of inertia. Okay, iz म्हणजे काय, z ॲक्सिसचा असणारा मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ द लॅमिनार ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, अबाउट द z ॲक्सिस परपेंडिक्युलर टू इट्स प्लेन. ओके, याच्या प्लेनमध्ये जे दोन परपेंडिक्युलर आहेत त्यांना तो कसा असणार आहे, परपेंडिक्युलर आहे. आणि हा iz जो आहे हा कोण आहे, इज द सम ऑफ, सम म्हणजे कोण आहे, ॲडिशन आहे, सम ऑफ मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया अबाउट टू परपेंडिक्युलर ॲक्सिस. म्हणजे iz ही सम कोणाकोणाची आहे, टू परपेंडिक्युलर ॲक्सिस म्हणजे कोण आहेत, ix आणि iy. ओके, विच आर कॉन्क्रेंट विथ ईच अदर. दिस इज नथिंग बट द स्टेटमेंट. ओके.